Next, here we are going to learn about a rectangle. We can say a rectangle is a parallelogram whose diagonals are equal, or you can say if an angle of a parallelogram is of 90 degree, then it is called a rectangle. मीनिंग अगर एक पैरेललोग्राम में कोई एक एंगल 90 हो जाए देन दैट पैरेललोग्राम इज कन्वर्टेड इनटू अ रेक्टेंगल. और इफ अ पैरेललोग्राम की डायगोनल्स की लेंथ इक्वल हो जाए देन इट इज कॉल्ड अ रेक्टेंगल. और यू कैन से a quadrilateral whose each angle is of 90 degree, then it is called a rectangle. So what are the properties of a rectangle? About its sides, we can say opposite sides are equal and parallel. Similarly, about its angle, each angle is of 90 degree. And what can we say about its diagonals? Diagonals are equal in length, equal and bisect each other. Next figure is rhombus. So rhombus is a quadrilateral whose all sides are equal in length. Meaning a quadrilateral whose all sides are equal, then it is called a rhombus. Remind the definition of a rhombus. If all sides of a quadrilateral are equal, then it is called a rhombus. Don't say it a square, because to say it a square, it must have some additional properties. We can't say that if the all sides of a quadrilateral are equal, then it is a square. No, that is a rhombus. And what are the properties of a rhombus? Let us write down its definition first of all. A quadrilateral whose all four sides are equal in length. And what is the property about its sides? We can say sides are equal and opposite angles are equal. Adjacent angles are supplementary. And what is the property for its diagonals? Diagonals of rhombus are not equal, but diagonals bisect each other and diagonal AC is perpendicular to diagonal BD. Both the diagonals are perpendicular to each other, or we can say diagonals are perpendicular bisector of each other. Perpendicular means at the point of intersection the angle is of 90 degree, and bisect means AO is equal to OC, meaning when the diagonal BD cuts AC, it divide it into two equal parts. Similarly, diagonal AC divides the diagonal BD into two equal parts. So we can say OA is equal to OC and OB is equal to OD. Next quadrilateral is a square. So a quadrilateral whose all sides are equal in length and each angle is of 90 degree. Meaning a quadrilateral जिसकी चारों साइड्स जो हैं वो आपस में इक्वल हों एंड all four angles are also of 90 degree. Or you can say a square is a rhombus whose each angle is of 90 degree. So what are the properties of a square? And also remind that square is also called a regular quadrilateral. And what are the properties? Again, for the sides, about angles, and about diagonals. Sides, all sides are equal in length. Each angle is of 90 degree. And about diagonals, diagonals are equal and bisect each other. इक्वल भी हैं और एक दूसरे को बाइसेक्ट भी करते हैं एंड डायगोनल्स आर परपेंडिकुलर टू ईच अदर. Means diagonal AC and diagonal BD both are equal in length and they bisect each other. Therefore AO is equal to OC and OB is equal to OD. Also at the point of intersection they make an angle of 90 degree. As in rhombus, rhombus में भी both the diagonals जो हैं वो perpendicular bisector of each other हैं, but equal diagonals are in rectangle and square and diagonals are perpendicular in square and rhombus. Square is also called a regular quadrilateral. A regular quadrilateral is that quadrilateral whose all angles are equal in measure and all sides are equal in length. The next one quadrilateral is kite. A kite is a quadrilateral whose adjacent sides are equal. Two pair of adjacent sides are equal. A, B, C, D. Here AB and BC equal हैं, AD and CD equal हैं. And diagonals of kite are again perpendicular to each other. A kite is a quadrilateral whose two pairs of adjacent sides are equal in length and angles, opposite angles are not equal. Its diagonals are perpendicular to each other.